Hi, I'm Miss Linton and I teach the 3 and 4-year-old preschool at Altalema Christian School. We are the little Jedi because I'm obsessed with Star Wars. I love teaching this age because they are just so imaginative and so creative. Everything that they learn is amazing to them, and that's amazing to me. It's beautiful. I'm usually amazed by things myself, so that's pretty good to be among people who are equally amazed by new things. I love ALCS because we are free to teach the way that God created us to teach the kids, and that in turn gives the kids the creativity to become their own people in Christ as well. And it's an amazing thing to get support from administration to do that in your own classroom. So every classroom in our school is its own little pod of learning from one teacher's perspective and a Christ perspective. But all the students know that they can grow to be whoever Jesus created them to be, and that's amazing. When my kids first get here, they're pretty much their own people already. It's amazing how even 3-year-olds already know who they are. It is great to see them grow over the year in their letters and numbers and all the good things that we're supposed to be enforcing in them. But it's even more important to me that they learn to talk to each other, not just to me. It's wonderful to be able to talk to adults. I do try to keep them together and learning how to cooperate and even conflict with each other because through conflict we grow closer. So to see them grow in that way is amazing. It is great to see them grow in their friendships, and I try to encourage them to talk to each other as much as possible. Not just because I want them to have interactions with each other, but because if they stay at our school, they will grow into friends, into a family over the course of their time here. And it's amazing to see the little ones who've been here all the way up in 6th and 7th grade. And they're just so like brothers and sisters, and it's beautiful, even if they're not brothers and sisters, because sometimes they are. But to see the ones who are up there who've been together since they were 3 or 4 years old, that is amazing. So the world has gone crazy this year. No one's denying it. But here in our classrooms, the kids have found a safe place, not just physically, but spiritually and mentally, to be together. It is so important for these kids to be together. And this is one of the best places, in my humble opinion, for kids to be together. So we're praying that you will bring them here to be together and grow together, learn, play, create, do everything that kids need to do in person, because that's how they learn to be people and they learn to grow and make the world a better place. So we hope that you'll be looking at our website some more, looking at the Google site and finding out more about our school, maybe even come down, schedule a tour. Feel free to email or dojo me if you have any questions, and we hope to see you on campus.